Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from a broken tablet screen. So, let's start taking it apart. To remove the frame, you need to heat it up. You can also apply a little solvent or alcohol along the edges. Now let's detach the screen. We won't need the display panel itself. We attach all reflectors to the frame with the backlight. You need to solder two pieces of wire to the ribbon cable coming from the backlight. Let's use electrical tape to secure the wires and keep them from coming off. You'll also need a DVD case for this DIY project. Let's peel off the label from it. Place the frame with the backlight in the case and trace the outline. Now cut out the hole along the markings. Next, take the touchscreen from the tablet and remove any remaining glue from it. Apply a new layer of glue and attach the frame with the backlight. Now apply glue to the frame of the touchscreen itself and glue it into the DVD case. You need to make a few more holes in the case for the connector, the button and the LED. Now insert the necessary parts into the holes you made. You need to stick a few pieces of double-sided tape to the screen, which we'll use to attach the parts we need. Attach the phone battery. We also attach the TP4056 board for charge control. And the last thing we need to attach is the boost converter. Next, we solder everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. Before soldering the wires from the backlight, you need to set the voltage to 18 volts on the converter. In the box, I decided to glue a mount from an old action camera. At this stage, the homemade project is finished. Place the holder in the clip, then attach everything to the tripod. As you can see, this turned out to be a small on-camera light, or you can use all of this as a lamp. If you like this DIY project, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye. Bye.